What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video we're going to cover part 2 of 3 of 50 states and 50 rallies. Let's get started. Now we have Maryland. We're all the way to end. I don't know how far we are in recording. I can't see that. Can't see my own damn GoPro screen. It's right in front of my face. But Apple's annual East Coast Sturgis. Another channel has done one video on it, and I wasn't that impressed with it. But then I looked at somebody else's channel when I was doing searches for it, and it actually looked like a good time. Next up, we have Michigan, and they have Muskegon Bike Time / Rebel Road, and they're both in Muskegon, so it's a good time. They're held at the same time frame as, god damn it, Little Sturgis, and I think this year it may have changed for Harley's 120th in Milwaukee. Minnesota, couldn't find anything. So anybody can go on Cyclefish and put a rally in. Anybody can go on Adam Sandoval's Motorcycle Destinations and put in a rally. I put in Hogrock and Kentucky Bike Rally. Side note, Adam's Bring It Home or Stubborn American is not listed on either one, surprisingly, which we'll come up to that here in a little bit. Mississippi, you have the Gulf Coast Memorial Day Blowout. That's Memorial Day weekend, obviously. I can't remember what I found on this one. Then you have Bikefest for Bikefest at Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri. That is one that's Memorial Day weekend. No, that's Labor Day weekend. They have some Memorial Day weekend too, I'm thinking. Or no, maybe I'm thinking of something else. That's not Labor Day weekend either. I think this is one that Riding in the Ozarks goes to every year. I could be wrong. It's happened once before. It's bound to happen again, right? Now we have the annual Beartooth Rally and Iron Horse Rodeo in Montana, Red Lodge, Montana. I can't remember what I found on this one. Oh, hell. I can't read my own damn time. I can't get cross-eyed enough to see that right close in front of me. Alright, I think that puts us about the halfway mark. I don't know, I don't have my numbers to the side. But Nebraska, nothing found. See what else we got. Reno, Nevada, we have the Street Vibrations Motorcycle Rally. That is not a campground one. need to get another oil change kit coming. Hey, I'm not the only scooter out today. Oh, yo, I'm burning up. Maybe because I'm a little bit hungry too. Where we're at. Oh, now for New Hampshire we have Laconia. This year is the 100th anniversary, the longest lasting motorcycle rally in the United States. Longest running, I shouldn't say longest lasting, longest running motorcycle rally in the United States. I couldn't tell you, I mean, it's a whole big area. I couldn't tell you what all goes on there. I have not been. I tried to find some videos on it. I found some, but it's mainly strip cruises and stuff like that. It's not campground central. I don't know what goes on at the campgrounds. I'm hoping Bent Rim podcast, Zach, makes it there this year, but I don't think he's going to because of finding a place to stay. Can't get people to call him back, and he started trying to find a place to stay January 1, which is when they start letting most places start booking for the next year. Let's see, New Jersey, I didn't find shit. I know they got a few things that goes on there. Maybe not all weekend. Oh, and I was trying to find just weekend long rallies as well. You know, 3 or 4 day weekend, sometimes 5 day weekend. I didn't want to do a whole bike week, but that's what I went with in some places when I couldn't find anything else. Now we have Red River Memorial Motorcycle Rally. That was a mouthful. I was in New Mexico, El Buffalo's home state, a New Mexican. Not an old Mexican, a new one. Catskills Mountain Thunder Motorcycle Rally in East Durham, New York. It'll be down there. I did find a little bit on this one, but not much. It's mainly focused around riding. It's not a, you know, yeah, I couldn't find a whole lot on it. Now we had the Smokeout Rally in Salisbury, North Carolina. That looks like a damn good time, as long as it's not as muddy as what Monkey went through last year. Woo! That was a mud fest. That wasn't a bike rally by any means. Now we have the Cavalier motorcycle ride-in Cavalier, North Dakota. This is not really a rally field to me, I didn't think, but it was listed under rallies, so I decided to include it. Now we have the ABATE of Ohio. Again, I could not find a video on this because ABATE of Iowa Freedom Rally is a much bigger rally. Alright, that's going to do it for part 2. Tune in next week for part 3.